going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all good and well. So in today's video we are going to be getting the S3 service. So every day the car's been notifying me saying that the car needs a service for the last 30 days. So obviously 30 days counting down towards one. So then now today's the day. Obviously it says service due or oil change due. So with this one, we're going to be doing it independently. We're not going to be doing it through Audi, but still we're going to be using genuine parts as well. So that's important. We're going to let my good friend Shamz do his thing. So before we get into the video, people, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Hit us up on the Spotify whilst you're there as well too, if you're into the music and all of that stuff. But for now, let's get straight to the video. So there we have the parts, the service. You've got air filter, pollen filter, plugs, and oil filter, and obviously oil as well. No fuel filter needed, as we ain't experienced any problems as of yet. But yeah, this is what a service kit consists of. Trust me. Everybody look at... Yes, it's Shamz. Shamz Auto. Trust me. Look at Shamz, this F56. Looks nice, man. I'm not gonna lie. JCW is what it said. JCW. Yeah, man, but it's neat, man. I keep telling Shamz, but let this go to me. What, stage 2 or 1?
Stage 1.
Stage 1, yeah? Oh, you took it off?
And the saw don't get done, so it came off.
Well, you can put that back on though, innit? Okay. So you tell the Shamz to say, look, greasing up the locks and hinges, you know.
Stop away, bro.
This guy's not playing, bro. Remember people, Shamz Auto.
So yes people, back at the crib now. There you have it, Audi S3 service completed. Shout out to Shamz as well for carrying out the work as well. Big him up as well. Big up to Smartwash as well. So that's it for this video people. So please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. Whilst you're there as well, you might want to follow us up on Spotify. And I forgot to put this plug at the beginning of the video as well. For all serious gamers out there, hit me up on Twitch. I've just joined Twitch as well. So I'm just getting used to things over there. But from what I've seen over there, it's a nice place, nice little platform to network and start a community and whatnot. So hit me up on Twitch at pudge_S3 as well. So there you have it. Till next time my people, take care, stay safe, peace.